There are three keys that you can use for your trail, for your roadmap to success. Okay? Purpose, vision, and mission. The purpose will give you the reason why you're doing something. The vision will give that thought, that vision in your mind's eye of where you want to be when you accomplish it. The mission gives you basically the trail, the vehicle by which to move. Because the mission is going to be with you through the ups and downs, the setbacks, the setups, the trials and tribulations. And when you're at the podium of life where you're either getting a trophy or being honored in some way, you remember that mission. And you probably shed a tear, overcome with joy, or you may even laugh, because you'll see how that mission was set up by the purpose and the vision that put you on the roadmap to success.